What's up, guys? Welcome in. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. Thanks again for being a part of the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. And if you are not, absolutely subscribe down below. Smash that like button. All that good stuff. Let's get it. Crypto market is booming. All right. And this is something we need to talk about because right here, we're looking at Bitcoin absolutely just surging up over 44,000 at the time of this recording. Crazy, crazy stuff. So in this video, I'm going to touch upon that, possibly a little pullback that we're seeing, as well as get into some of the trickle-down effect that we're seeing in altcoins, as well as my thoughts on the matter. All right, so let's hit it. Remember, not financial advice, so please do your own homework and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But more so, this is coming out from an analyst as Cardano basically has jumped 20%, as we're eyeing Bitcoin to pull back to 40K to fill a possible CME gap. Now, for those of you that do not know, the CME gap is essentially what we were talking about when we want to point out the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. All right, now that is basically the Bitcoin's futures market as it relates to the CME gap. And that's something where we're looking at a price level between 39,000 and 41,000 based upon this article and prediction to fill that gap. Now, that would basically allow Bitcoin to reset within these levels, and this possible pullback that we would have would retest essentially the strength that we were at within Bitcoin right here, right now on the charts. So that's kind of what's going on, okay? He goes on to talk about how basically according to the daily candles within the CME, 28 of those 30 gaps have been filled, but for argument's sake, they do not always get filled. So that's kind of where we're seeing basically when we had the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, you saw these gaps basically have the same kind of effect, and a couple of them remained unfilled around that $20,000 level, okay? That's kind of what we're seeing within all of these institutional inflows surrounding Bitcoin that really nobody has really taken account for, okay? It's kind of going behind the scenes, if you will, because I don't really think the buzz is what it was back in 2021 with crypto right now. However, we are kind of right around the corner, and that's what's very important because I think we're kind of letting this go in more of a understating the actual environment that crypto is trading in right now, okay? And there's a lot of people that are going to be getting back into crypto, especially as the seasons kind of change. We get into 2024, a lot of positive direction and tailwinds that are in play for this next bull cycle, okay? So that's kind of what we're looking at. And, you know, in the future, will we see Bitcoin hit new all-time highs? Yeah, that is on the table. Within 2 years, that very much is on the table to surpass that 70,000. But guys, this is where we need to finish this video up by saying it's not just Bitcoin. We have altcoins running, right? A lot of other cryptos, some of the big layer ones out there, Solana, Cardano, as well as Polkadot, Algorand, just to name a few. We're seeing these rallies, Dogecoin, even some of the memes up 10%. A big, big move into the green for a lot of crypto on today. So this is where we're going to see basically Bitcoin consolidate around this $44,000 level, 43, 44, right? Will we break out? Will we surpass 45K? Or are we going to have a little retesting of those support levels, like I said, down at 40K because of those CME gaps needing to be filled? So that's kind of what we're at. Cardano, I'm a big Cardano believer here on the channel, so if you guys like ADA, please subscribe down below as well. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. As always, let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this piece. But I appreciate you guys all stopping by, watching what I had to say, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.